Alright guys, so today we're going to do a quick transmission repair. I wasn't going to post this video, but it might be helpful for some of you trying to do this. So you can see on this transmission case right here, if we can focus, the bolt popped out. This is pretty common stuff right here. And same here on the lid, this bottom corner's gone. So the tricky thing with aluminum is the preheat and post-heat. So we got to make sure, so I got my temp gauge here, just a little Home Depot one. I'll get it up to probably 300 to 350 degrees before I start welding it. I'm just going to do this with MAP gas because it's a smaller piece. But anywhere around 300 degrees welds pretty good with the cast. So I'm going to get this done, and just wanted to show you the preheating and the welding process of it. I'm going to use a 4043 filler rod in this. Alright, so there's the repair on that. It's not pretty, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to grind it back down either way. Just a big old filler on the side, big glob in the center. Now while this is cooling, we're going to go back and forth. I'm going to let this cool slowly. So I'm going to start preheating the other one, and I'm going to post heat this at the same time so it doesn't cool too fast. Alright, so I just finished welding the kicker cover. This piece was super dirty. It would have been way better to bead blast that, but got it done. Left a little stringer there too. And then here's the case. So now I'm going to grind them back down real smooth and make it look like they weren't there. And we'll show you the finished product. Alright, so I just want to show you guys the finished product. Got everything cleaned up here. So there's the top bolt, how it'll end up being on the kicker lid. Another weld you can't even see because it goes under the ratchet top here. Pull it off. I left extra meat on there, so hopefully it doesn't do it again, but yeah, so job's done now. He's gonna re-drill and tap them and reinstall on the bike.